Hello folks, Brian Hadley, American filmmaker and actor. Sincere hopes and prayers go out to all of us around the world during this very difficult time, and prayers and hopes to those currently battling coronavirus and to their families and friends.
Folsom Wilhelmina here, British football instructor. If social distancing and the term freaks you out, don't let it. We must follow it. And also, I've been used to it for years. My first wife enacted social distancing in our relationship for sometimes weeks and months. And then in the end, she just put forth a full-blown romantic embargo. And that's a whole nother story in and of itself. But I have been worried about football around the world. When we do get back to league play, fans go back to the stadiums and players get back on the pitch. If we do feel like continuing as a precaution social distancing, we can stick all the TP that's been hoarding around the globe and give it to the football players so they continue social distancing as they run down the pitch. It can be like bumper cars, but for soccer.
For those of you who are hoarding toilet paper and paper towels like you're about to build a freaking 2-story mansion out of them, do I look nice about it? You think it's freaking amusing that every time you walk into the grocery you gotta buy 2 24-packs of toilet paper when you already got a garage full of them? What, you think you're gonna be going potty 24/7, 365 for the next 4 years? Don't make me angry. Maybe think of others for once. And then guess what, genius? If you leave enough and buy what you need, other people will be able to buy some toilet paper for themselves, like my angel of a mother.
Thanks for watching Fried Talk, Pilgrim.
Ooh, there you go. It's how you walk. You gotta think, be kind. That jam is Fried Talk. Oh, you get it, Brian Hadley. Yeah, baby.